friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a twisted V from Dandy's World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting our paper in half. And we're going to start right in the middle with the nose. And we're just going to start by drawing a nice thin line, rounding that out, pulling that back down, and then connecting that together. We'll come down on a diagonal beside this on both sides, replicating that, just making these ones smaller. Now let's step across. For the eye coming out, we're going to draw an oval on a diagonal. And then we'll replicate this on the right-hand side as well. Let's move in towards the middle, finishing that off. So we're going to draw another oval, just making sure that this doesn't touch on the sides. Now right in the center, we're going to draw in a circle for the center of the eye. Let's add in some of the eyelashes now. So coming out, we're going to curve this line out, down, stepping across, replicating that, making the second one smaller. We'll do the exact same thing, moving across on the right, stepping down one more time. Let's draw on the eyebrows, coming up. Curve this line down, up and over to the side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line down and then in towards the middle. Now for the mouth coming across, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then underneath, we're going to round that corner out slightly, curving this over, connecting that back through on the right. In the center, let's leave a gap, drawing two straight lines on either side. And then we're going to arch this down on the left and right and on the top as well. And we'll just close those off with a slight diagonal line. Let's step over, leaving enough space, drawing in two more diagonal lines. And then again, we'll just bring those across on the top and bottom. And then we'll close this off on both sides. Now one more time, stepping over, just a small line coming down. And then we'll draw two diagonal lines joining at a point right in the middle. Now let's come down underneath the eye, and we're going to curve this out, up, and then back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's frame in the head. So moving up, we're going to draw in a straight line across. We're going to sort of curve this out slightly on both sides, extending that past the mouth. Now let's finish this off underneath, straightening this out to create a rectangle. We're basically just going to move around this and replicate that now. So stepping up, another straight line coming over. We'll curve this line down on the left-hand side, and then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. And then we're just going to close this off on the very bottom with another curved line. Now let's come up for the antennas on the left-hand side, arching this around and down. From that point, we're going to curve this up again, bringing that out to the side. Now from here on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. Let's thicken this up. So stepping out, we're going to curve this around and in. Moving over again, curving this up, pulling this back down on the left-hand side, connecting that to that circle. Let's move over on the right, stepping in. We're going to curve this around, pulling this down to the side of our head. And then again, like we did on the left, we're just going to draw in another circle, connecting this together. And now let's move up, arching this around, pulling that back down on the side. Now in the center, let's draw on the bow tie. We're going to draw in a circle. Let's come in underneath, leaving a gap. We're going to arch this around and through. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the left, curving this over and back down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. In the middle, we're going to curve this line out. Let's come down for the body. We're going to curve this out towards the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off underneath with a curved line. We're going to draw in a dripping pattern now. So on the left, we're going to curve this down, pulling this back up and through to the bottom. Now to the right of that, curving this up, back down, and then in. And then again, one more time, bringing this up, down, and over to the right. Let's come through underneath on the bottom, drawing in another curved line from left to right. And then we're going to arch this around, pulling that back through on the side. We'll draw in a dripping pattern again. So on the left, we're going to curve this down, up, and through, connecting that. We're going to draw in an arch line. We'll step across, drawing in another arch line. Now moving across, we're going to curve this line down, up, back down, and then again to the right, just curving this over and through on the side. Now let's draw in that dripping pattern again, curving this down, up, round, down, over, and through on the side. We're going to draw in a little droplet on the left with a small oval, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw in the arm. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. For the top, we're going to replicate this, so we're just going to extend this, ending that at the same width. Now from here, let's draw on the thumb. So we're going to curve this line out and in. For the first finger, we're going to curve this line down, around, pulling that back through. Let's step over in the center, curving this around and back up. And then one more time for that pinky, just curving this over and in, connecting that together to finish that off. Let's continue to come down and draw in the leg. So leaving a gap from the middle, we're going to curve this line down on the left and right hand side, ending that at the same height. And then now for the foot, we're just going to curve this line over to the side. Now from here, let's round this out, curving this over and in for the top of that shoe. And then we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming in towards the leg. Let's round out the leg here. So we're just going to curve this up and through to the side. Let's add in some small details. We're just going to draw in two curved lines right in the center, leaving a gap. And then we'll move up again one more time, finishing that off. Lastly, let's just draw on the tail with the microphone. So we're going to come over on the right and we're going to curve this down and up. We'll leave a gap, replicating that as we tuck this around and through towards the top. Let's close that off on the bottom with a curved line. Let's step up. We're going to draw in two straight lines moving through to the top. Again, moving up, we're just going to extend this out slightly, curving that over. We'll draw in two diagonal lines coming in towards the top. And now let's draw the microphone part on top. So we're just going to create a nice big circle. Let's add the details inside. So moving down, we're going to round this out, curving that up. We'll step through again, leaving a gap, curving that through. And then one more time, arching that over towards the top. Let's move up. We're going to curve this down and out. Let's leave a small gap, replicating that. And then again, one more time as we move down. And that is it. That's how you draw Twisted V from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.